Okay. See at page number 52, some special parallelograms, 3.5.1 rhombus. We obtain a rhombus which you will see is a parallelogram as a special case of kite which is not a parallelogram. Kite is not a parallelogram. Adjacent sides of kite is equal, not opposite sides. So what they are doing, do this. Recall the paper cut kite you made earlier. Okay. Kite shape first you will make. When you cut along ABC and opened up, you got a kite. Here length AB and BC were different. If you draw AB equal to BC, then your kite will become a different shape, that is called rhombus. That means if in a kite all sides are equal, then kite will convert it into rhombus, a special quadrilateral. Note that the side of rhombus are all of the same length. All the sides of rhombus, that means all four sides of rhombus are equal. This is not the case with the kite. In the kite, adjacent sides are equal, but in the rhombus, all sides are equal. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with side of equal length. Since the opposite sides of rhombus have the same length, so we can say that rhombus is a quadrilateral, but every parallelogram, since we can say that rhombus is a parallelogram, but every parallelogram need not to be a rhombus. So rhombus has all the properties of parallelogram. In parallelogram, we can say that opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. So in parallelogram, also in the rhombus, also opposite angles are equal, and parallelograms, diagonals of parallelograms only bisect each other, but diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90-degree angle, at a right angle. You can then verify your list with the checklist summarized in the book elsewhere. Okay, so what is the similarity? Similarities in a rhombus and parallelogram. The most useful property of rhombus is that of its diagonals. The diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of one another. That means they intersect. Diagonals intersect each other at 90-degree. Take a copy of rhombus by paper folding. Verify if the point of intersection is the midpoint of each diagonal. You may also check if they intersect at right angles using the corner of set square. So do this activity at your home. Here is an outline justifying this property using logical steps. ABCD is a rhombus, so it is a parallelogram. Also, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So OA is equal OC, OB is equal OD. We have to show that measure of angle AOD is equal to COD. AOD is equal to COD is equal to 90-degree. That means this angle will be 90-degree. Okay. See here, it can be seen by the side congruency criteria. So see here, see in these two triangles AOD, COD. this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this side is common, so all the angles also will be common. This angle will be this angle, this angle will be this angle, this angle will be this angle. And you can see here linear pair, so this angle will be this angle, so this angle 90 degree. So triangle AOD is equal to triangle COD, congruent, and they are forming linear pair. So angle AOD COD will be 90 degree. I'll explain also on the green board. So let us start.